Okay, what we're going to talk about now is we're going to talk about a tapering jig. Another thing you can do here on the table saw. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this piece and we're going to make sure that it's cut on a bit of an angle here. So we're going to actually make a jig that actually is going to fit this piece. You can use it to do stuff like this, tapered table legs, that type of thing. But you have to build a jig first in order to get it to work. The easiest way to do that is, what I've done is I've taken the lines with my square and I've extended the lines down on the front and on the back. So what happens is if I take it and I line it up on the front here, where it's lined up right perfectly with the edge, I go to the back here, and I do that. I want to make sure that they're right on the money. Right on the money. What I can do at this point is I just grab my pencil, very sharp pencil, and I just draw some lines. And what I'm going to do is those are going to be guidelines because I'm going to put a frame on two sides of it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this frame up against here, and I want it just inside the line there. And I want to make sure that it's lined up perfectly on my line. And what I will do is I will drill it and put it in place. Second one, I've jumped ahead a bit here. The second one, once the first one's in place, I'm going to line up these lines. Once they're lined up, I can clamp them and screw them in place. That's going to create that right there. Now what we're going to do is we need to secure the piece down using what is called a toggle clamp. So basically what happens is as you push the handle, it comes down. We have to assemble it. This is a brand new one. So what we need to do is we need to take this here. So there's a rubber plunger on the bottom, which acts as a clamp. There's a nut with a washer on top of it. The washer actually fits the toggle clamp. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide it up inside. And there's another washer that goes on top. And there's another nut. So what I'm doing, I'm going to hand tighten it. I have to come down and it has to click down tight so that it secures it in there. I'm going to go just a bit tighter on it. And the way I do that is I just lower the bottom nut a bit, tighten the top one down. Hand tight for now. I just want to check it, make sure. Let's see if it's going to work for us. Oh, I'm still too shy. I'm going to back it up this time. A little bit more. Go a little bit too far one way or the other. So once it snaps down tight, then I know it's secure. I think 2 1/2-inch wrenches. I'm gonna hold one, and I'm gonna tighten the other one down. Once I have it secure, I'm gonna check it again. Okay. I want to make sure that it's tight. I want to make sure that once I have the two of them adjusted, it will not pull itself out of there. I cannot physically pull it out, so I know it's good.